Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to reset your browser settings in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, locate and click on the More button, represented by 3 dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Scroll down the Settings page and click on Reset Settings. Step 5. A dialog box will appear. Here, you'll see the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Make sure this option is selected. Step 6. Finally, click on the Reset Settings button to initiate the process. That's it. You have successfully reset your browser settings in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.